Right, who is here on Kevin Alfred James Jones?
Mr. Jones was here a couple of months ago, Judge, and we just sent this, we set this for a status update.
Okay,
As of right now, the probation office doesn't have any major concerns. He is reporting as needed. He's doing what he has to do. All of his UAs have been negative. I did speak with Mr. Jones to see how he's doing. He indicates that he's going to school, everything's going well there. He's taking care of that baby, everything's going well there. I did tell him, though, the only concern that probation is having is he hasn't registered for his courses, but as of like right now with a newborn child and he's going to school, he has a lot of things on his plate. So I did tell him that he needs to make that a priority. But again, taking it one day at a time.
all right, so what school are you going to?
South Texas Vocational Technical Institute.
All right, so then, Ms. Abrams, with regards to his community service restitution hours?
I believe he said he was going to get credit if he finished the parenting class.
Yes, and also, if he finishes the trade school, I mean, sorry, the vocational school. And then did you complete your CPR class for newborns? So how old is your baby now?
She'll be 2 months tomorrow.
Look at this. You got to celebrate them every day. And you're loving changing diapers.
I'm fine with it.
Oh, that is always good. And how is your patience? Because babies require a lot of patience.
The twins, but to have it.
Yeah. All right. And I always ask people that because sometimes people don't have patience for babies. And the only way that they can tell you something is wrong is if they're crying, or sometimes I watched this episode of Sesame Street growing up, and it was with Elmo. And so baby Elmo was crying in the crib. And so on Sesame Street, they had the baby Elmo sing a song. And so the parents would come in and then they would leave. Baby starts crying again. So the baby would sing this song and the baby would say, sometimes I cry because I'm hungry. Sometimes I cry because my diaper's wet. Sometimes I cry because I just want to see you. And sometimes I cry just because. Just because. There's nothing else to do. Let me cry. Let me see what control I have in the household. And I always tell people, if they realize that babies are in control of the household, that's the hierarchy. Babies, adults, children come before that. So is there anything you need from the court? All right, so here's the thing. If you see like your patience is getting a little frayed, or if you see that there are some issues with your probation, that you're having trouble doing certain things, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court and we'll see what's going on.
Yes.
All right. So for the court, my main concerns is, one, of course, taking care of your child, being a good adult influence in her life. And then the community service hours, they'll take care of themselves if you finish your vocational school and your parenting classes, okay?
Yes.
And continue to stay clean because your baby needs you.
Yes.
Drug-free, okay? So is there anything else, probation? All right, so I have you on, he's still on GPS, right?
He is on GPS tracking.
All right, so, and you've been on GPS for, is it just for the 2 months since February? How long
Yes,
you been on
Judge.
GPS?
Since February.
All right, so this is what I'll do. So you continue doing what you're doing. And what I'll do is, let me get a date here. I would say that 3rd week in July, if everything is going well, then I will take you off GPS.
Yes.
Whether you're taking off or not, depends 100% on you. Okay? Any questions? Anything else?
No, good.
All right, good job. Thank you. Tell the baby I said hi.
She's at daycare.
Yeah. Okay, here's the thing too. Keep an eye on that daycare. Because babies can't talk. They can't tell you if somebody is not treating them right. Do some surprise pop-ins.
Yes.
All right. All right, good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.